Hey y'all, welcome back to the Blacksmith Garage. Again, another hot day in the garage. Today, we're going to keep on adding to our small subtle bits of carbon fiber. We completed a video of changing your dash out, your tank dash out, and we changed it to a CVO ST carbon fiber, forged carbon fiber tank dash that has been cleared. We are going to do the same thing with our front fender. Very easy mod, changes the look a little bit for sure. It goes with the other subtle things like the hand guards, the tank dash. We also have our radiator coolant bottle that has a sleeve over it from Carbon Visionary. And we have Carbon Visionary's shock protectors on the bottom of the new front suspension. So we're going to change the front fender out. Now here's the cool thing about the front fender. If you put the carbon on, they are expensive. If you don't like it or you like to change looks every 5 months, 6 months, every year, you can do that with the front fender. Always consider though your paint. Make sure that you are protecting your painted front fender from getting damaged. They are not cheap to get repainted, and you want to be able to switch back and forth if you really like to do that change. So let's get into it. Thanks again for joining us on the Blacksmith Garage, and let's change out our front fender. So here is the white onyx pearl front fender that we have today. And this is what we're changing it to. Set off some subtle look for some carbon fiber, and it'll be perfect with these Carbon Visionary shot guards for the new front suspension. 4 bolts is what you have to take out of the front fender to pull it off. One here, here, and the same exact position on the other side. Now these bolts are 6 millimeter. Remember, lefty loosey, righty tighty. Now let's go to the other side. Now remove your front fender carefully and put that somewhere nice. There's only one way to put this, and that is with the longer tail on the front, and you can start putting your bolts back in. Now you don't want them fully tightened because you want to be able to align the other side. So let's go back to the other side. Okay, 2 bolts, top and bottom. And tighten as tight as they'll go. Then come over to the other side and fully tighten down this side. And there it is, y'all. There's the difference. I love the look. Goes nice with the white bike. There it is, y'all. You have changed your front fender into a carbon fiber fender. 4 bolts, 7 millimeter, and they come right out. Make sure that you protect the painted version, just in case you want to flip back. But man, does this look good on a white bike. I love the look with the liquid gold and how this whole bike has come out. All right, we did it. I love the look of the new forged carbon fiber fender. Say that 10 times fast. Our fender was a cleared CVO ST fender, but there's other companies in the market that provide options for carbon fiber front fenders. I love the forged carbon fiber. That's why we've put a few things on the bike, and I think it just takes the Onyx Pro White to a next level. But we protected our front fender that is painted from the factory so that if I want to switch back and forth, I can. So easy mod, only a few things to do, only a few bolts to pull out, change out, make sure you protect your paint, and change up your bike a little bit. So thanks again for joining us in the Blacksmith Garage. It is a hot one again, but we're going to keep on producing some of these really easy do-it-yourself videos with little fluff so that you can get through, a 5-minute video instead of 30-minute video on these small, subtle changes to your bike. So if you like this content, like and subscribe. We'll see you next time. See ya.